Why does your scanner show the P0558 engine code? And what does it mean? P0558 is a diagnostic trouble code for brake booster pressure sensor circuit high input. This error code indicates that your vehicle's PCM or ECM is receiving a voltage signal from the brake booster pressure sensor that is higher than the expected normal range. Under these circumstances, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: faulty brake booster pressure sensor, damaged wiring or connectors, low engine vacuum, vacuum hose leaks, faulty PCM or ECM. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicle, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Mitsubishi, Subaru, Ford, and Toyota. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.